If you've ever lived in an area where a new building pops up but no new business goes in it, you might wonder, why does that happen? Well, today we have a story about this and about the new business that eventually is taking over this building. Alicia tells us more in today's Your Home.
Welcome back to Your Home. I'm Alicia. This is my husband Jeremy, and we're with F&S Building Innovations. Today we're in beautiful Blacksburg at Blacksburg Pediatrics. The building you see behind us actually sat empty for several years. It had gravel on the floor because they weren't exactly sure what they were going to do with it. Well, Blacksburg Pediatrics decided they needed to make it their new home. We're going to go inside. I'm going to introduce you to Tom Farrell, who is one of our project managers at F&S Building, and show you a little bit about this facility. And now we're here inside the facility at Blacksburg Pediatrics. I want to introduce you to some of the team that actually worked on this project. I have here with us Tom Farrell. He's one of our commercial project managers. He's been with us a little over 7 years. We also have Scott Blake and Greg Chitwood. They've been here from start to finish on this project and are part of the outstanding F&S team. One other thing I want to bring to your attention, you may notice that Scott is wearing a black t-shirt with a pink F&S logo. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and F&S is just supporting those folks who are survivors, who are in the middle of it, or honoring those who are taken. So if you see our guys out and about this month and you see their shirts, just let them know you appreciate it, that as a team collectively we're supporting those who are fighting breast cancer. Tom, do you want to tell us just a little bbit about this project?
Sure. F&S started this project approximately 5 months ago. And the way one of these projects, all of them are different, but the way this project started was this was an empty shell space. And what I mean by that is the building, the exterior structure was already constructed and it sat empty for several years. The developer apparently couldn't lease the property or sell it until Dr. Berry came along with Blacksburg Pediatrics. He needed a larger space, and so he actually purchased this building. So when I say shell space, what the inside was nothing but a gravel floor. So, and the developer knows that whoever moves in is going to have to put plumbing in, so that's why they leave the concrete slab unpoured until such time as you begin construction. So our plumbing contractor comes in and puts the plumbing rough ends, as we say, in the floor before we pour it, and then once he gets those inspections passed and we cover it up with concrete, then we can start constructing our walls. And in a commercial environment, unlike residential, we use metal studs. We have to put products in these commercial buildings that are that don't burn, fire retarded products. And so the drywall is a little thicker than what's in a residential home, and the studs are metal versus wood. So we construct the walls, and the electrician then does his electrical rough ends. So kind of step by step is how we get to this phase. You know, after the rough ends are inspected, then we can put our drywall up. So, which you see at this phase, we're nearing completion of this project.
So one of the key things in being involved in healthcare construction is having the right certifications. ASHE, which is the American Society for Healthcare Engineering, is a key player in oversight and regulations for any professionals that are involved in the design, build, maintaining, or operating healthcare facilities. F&S has several employees that have the HCC, the CHC certification, so that we're able to do these facilities and do them correctly. So anybody who's interested in a commercial project, a design build project, doctors, businesses, give F&S a call. Our commercial division could definitely help you. Next week, we're going to let Dr. Berry, who is going to be overseeing this facility, tell you about doing business with F&S.
And to learn more about F&S's commercial or residential development, you can give them a call, 540-985-9160. Also online, fs4seasons.com, or you can find them on Facebook. And we'll be right back.